Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the second episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series 2025. It is so cold outside and I'm wearing my pajamas, so I figured why not make some hot cocoa to warm up my body. So that's what I'm going to make, but we're going to make it using white chocolate. That's right, sugar. So today I'm going to share with y'all some white hot chocolate from scratch or hot cocoa. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it is loaded with white chocolate goodness. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Perfect for the winter months coming up. Also, this would be great to drink when you're wrapping gifts, and I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more hot cocoa recipes, check out my hot cocoa recipes playlist and my previous video, cranberry white chocolate chip cookies. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your milk, your white chocolate chips, and get your pot heating up, sugar, because we're about to make some white hot cocoa magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, over here on my stove top, I have my large pot, or you can use a medium saucepan. My fire is on medium-low heat. We're going to add in 1 cup of white chocolate chips, and make sure you use real white chocolate chips, the one that's made with butter. And into our white chocolate chips, we're going to add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Give this a quick stir until the chocolate chips melt. And as soon as they melt, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the chocolate chips has melted. So now we're going to add in 2 cups of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream. And 2 cups of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk. Give it a stir until it's well blended. So now we're going to let the milk simmer for about 8 minutes, but don't boil it. We just want it to heat through. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, and just that quickly, our hot cocoa is done. So now I cut my fire off. There's one more ingredient we got to add to it. 1 teaspoon, which is a cupful of pure vanilla extract, and stir that in. And now our hot cocoa is ready to serve. So I'm about to pour it into my glass, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I got my glass right here, and I'll let it cool off a little bit. There's a couple of more things we got to add to it. Some whipped cream and some white chocolate chips. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. White hot chocolate or white hot cocoa. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Cheers. Creamy, decadent. This definitely warms up the soul. Ain't nothing like white chocolate. One of my favorites. This hot cocoa is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. White hot chocolate licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. And stay warm.